AI-powered trading bots promise easy profits. And Aurum Foundation is one of the platforms getting buzz online. But the real question is it a legit AI trading tool worth your money, or is it a risky or fake scheme? Let's break it down. So Aurum Foundation says it uses an AI-driven bot to automate crypto and asset trading, scanning markets and executing trades 24/7 to generate returns. Some ads even talk about monthly profits of 10 to 20% or more via an EX AI bot. Sounds promising on paper, but high returns in trading are never guaranteed and always involve risk. Independent safety checks paint a mixed to concerning picture. The domain used by the Spain site has a very low trust score and is flagged as high risk or suspicious by security scanners, including hidden ownership and very recent registration, which are typical red flags for risky platforms. Another site scan also calls the platform suspicious with crypto AI services, scoring low on trust metrics and suggesting caution before entering personal or financial data. These kinds of indicators don't prove a scam, but they absolutely mean you should be very cautious and do more homework before investing. User reviews on official pages appear extremely positive, many claiming steady returns, smooth payouts, and reliable support. While on independent forums like Reddit, many people express suspicion, calling it a potential Ponzi scheme setup where early payouts are funded by new deposits rather than real trading, and warning that unregulated trading bots often collapse or harm investors' funds. Plus, reviewers warn that platforms marketed via WhatsApp messages, referral networks, or heavy hype are classic scam tactics. Real trading firms don't solicit via random chats. So is Aurum Foundation a real trustworthy AI trading tool? Not clearly. While it exists as a platform with user testimonials, independent safety checks flag the site as high risk, and there's no verified proof of audited trading performance. The bottom line, treat it as speculative and high risk, not a guaranteed profit generator. If you do explore it, start with very small amounts you can afford to lose. Avoid giving sensitive info and consider professional financial advice first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.